Okay, what do you want?
Yeah.
A what?
Yeah.
A sucker?
Yeah.
What do you want a sucker for? Can you show me how you jump?
D.
You want a sucker?
Yeah.
What color?
D.
You want a green one?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do when you get a sucker?
D.
Do you jump?
Yeah.
Good job. Are you sure you want a sucker?
Yeah.
Why?
Right.
Why do you want a sucker?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
How much do you like them?
Blue.
You want a blue one?
Yeah.
Do you want a green one?
Yeah.
Does it matter what color?
Yeah.
Are you going to jump some more?
Yeah.
Why do you like suckers?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get a sucker, okay? You want green?
Yeah. Yeah.
Show me what you need.
D.
You want the sucker?
Yeah. Help.
Oh, you need help?
Yeah.
Are you sure you want a sucker?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go throw that away first. And then come back and get your sucker. Thank you. Here's your sucker.
D.
You're welcome. Do you like suckers?
Uh-huh.
Say cheese. Cheese. Can you show me how you jump? Wow, jump again. Are you 2 now? You are? Are you a big girl? That's a big girl jump. Okay, say bye.